Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about August income report just for Audible sales. This is just one part of the business. This is probably the more profitable side on the book sales. So going back to August, and I'm going to be providing additional Audible book reports for you to see, but I'm starting with August and maybe working my way back to 2020 so you could see how things played out. The Audible sales are down significantly, but that's a reflection of it's a lagging indicator because during the pandemic, the quarantine time, sales were up in the $20,000 range. Now they're down significantly because these are reporting 2 to 3 months after the fact. So let's get right into it. But I want to start off this video by talking about this statement right here. The future depends on what we do in the present. So this is very appropriate because Audible sales and the work that you do with Kindle and uploading the books, you do the work up front and then you enjoy the benefits of it because Amazon goes to work for you. So I continue to have this passive income, especially from Audible sales, because once the books are uploaded onto audible.com, it's really passive. There's no specific ads that we place towards Audible books, although I do have ads that run on the Amazon platform which do show the books on ebooks, print, and Audible. There's no specific advertising for Audible books. So this is truly once you do this, books are uploaded, and then you get to enjoy the passive income and then you're going to see as I upload additional income reports, you're going to see that this is very consistent business model. So let's get right into it then. Before you do that, if you like the content, if you want to support the channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that smash that like button on the screen. All right, so let's get into it. I'm going to show you here briefly what the back office looks like. All right, so what you're seeing here first is Find a Way Voices. This is not audible.com, but I uploaded this one book here early on this year, and this book is really not tailored so much for audible.com. I just wanted to test out the platform. This is another place where you could upload your books. It's called Find a Way Voices. The book report here for August 1st to August 31st was just about $6, close to $7 and change. I'm going to start uploading here, maybe not on Find a Way Voices, another platform that I'm about to show you in the next slide, but I'm going to add this into towards the August just so that you see what things that I do. I'm always testing new things, new platforms, new strategies, and I just want to show you this because I plan to grow this for 2021, and I want you to see how I started from the get. So again, sales here are 648. I'm going to have an Excel sheet here. This one here, it shows you these two sales just for August. Not a lot of money, but you have to start off somewhere, right? So let's get into the next income stream for Audible so I could show you that. All right, so here's the back office of Authors Republic. This is yet another platform where you could upload your book. This is just one book that I have on here. These are platforms that I tried to start this year, but I went back to audible.com, or the way things played out, I just wasn't confident in uploading any more books. But this one book here, as you could see, inventory, just one project. I was trying to determine between Find a Way Voices and Authors Republic. I was trying to see which was the better platform, and I uploaded a book onto each platform. This is a bigger book, a better selling book, so I'm not going to say that this is better or not, but I would probably publish, or I'm going to publish more books on this platform, Authors Republic, as opposed to Find a Way Voices. So far this year, this one book has done over $591, which is nice. If the book cost you about $150 to have it produced, this has returned your money many times back just on the Audible side. Again, proving that Audible sales is the way to go, is the way to grow your business. All right, so for August, as you see the report here, August 2020, the book only sold about $29.60. Not a whole lot of money. Probably we did a lot of better sales early on in the year, but we're going to add this to the Excel sheet as another income stream for August for audiobook sales. So far we have 348, 313, and 29.60. Now let's go on to audible.com so you could see those reports. Okay, so I'm here. If you've seen many of my other videos where I do show my Audible sales, you know that this is the PDF for the income report. This is August 2020, as you can see here. So I did about $9,585.06 for audible.com. You could see my name up here as well. That shouldn't be showing, but let's add that to the Excel sheet. And $9,585. I'm going to show you one other Audible report, just to kick this up a little bit to the level where it needs to be. Okay, so here's another PDF report. This is another smaller account that I have. Here is August 2020. This account did 2863, almost 3,000, and that's what you're seeing here, 2863.51. So when we look at these passive, this is truly passive income streams just from the Audible side. This is not print, this is not ebook, this is not Income Spark. We come up for the month of August for $12,484. Again, guys, this is truly passive. So when you strategize on books, you need to look at print sales, ebook sales, and Audible, and try to find the right mix so your book sells well in audio as well as print. All right. I'm going to upload additional income reports so you could see. This is actually on the lower side. I do probably double this amount on a regular basis, probably between 18 and the 20,000 range, but it still doesn't matter. This is a great passive income stream. For those of you who know, I'm currently in Bali. It's November, and I'm in Bali, and the checks are still coming in at this size. But this is from August, so we still have to wait for the income reports to be available for September and October, which they're currently delayed, but I will upload those as well so you can see. If you guys want additional training, how to grow your business, your publishing business for print and audio, I will provide a link below so you could check out my course, and where I teach how to do this. Anybody could do this. Certainly, you could build your account up to $1,000, $2,000 a month from audio, and it doesn't require that much effort, but you do have to publish consistently. Anyway, I hope you found value in this. I hope that you could bring your account up to this level, and I will see you in the next video.